Welcome to my latest adventure on the breathtaking shores of Fort Bragg, California. Come with me as I explore the rocky but beautiful shores of this iconic Northern California coastal town. Now, these aren't the beaches most people think of when they think of California beaches. The water here is frigid, the surf is rocky, the air is almost always foggy, and I don't know about you, but I sure wouldn't mind calling this place home. Come with me as I bring you unrivaled drone footage of the rocky coast during a rainy day atmosphere. Watch the big surf crash against the mighty rocks that have withstood the tide for millennia. Check out the sea lions who are seeking refuge from the storm upon a buoy in the middle of Noyo Harbor. Come on now, let's go for a drive down timeless, twisty roads through the magnificent redwoods, and let's marvel at their immense size. Relax along the beaches up and down iconic Highway 1 on this rain-swept day. Whether you're planning your own trip to Fort Bragg or just want to vicariously experience the wonders of this coastal haven, this video has it all. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel inspiration. And if you're up for an adventure, come along with me. Your adventure awaits. So our adventure began in the town of Willets, small little town of Highway 101. It's early December, so everybody's got their Christmas decorations out. They're even hanging them off the light poles here in town. Gives it that real Christmassy feel. Willets is known as the gateway to the redwoods. That's easy to see why. Not far out of town, you can find yourself surrounded by redwoods and mountains. It's kind of sad sometimes, family. It's hard to get together to do things that are fun. When you finally get the chance to, somebody obviously doesn't want to go, or it's just really hard. So I decided I'm just going to do this trip by myself this trip. Sometimes it's nice just to get out of the house and go for a drive. And there's a few places that are a better destination than Fort Bragg here in Northern California. Such iconic beaches, glass beaches there. You got Point Reyes lighthouse, and it's just that northern coastal feel. You'll get a feel for it when you check it out. Good to Glass Beach, down here in Fort Bragg. It's starting to rain, been a little stormy. Glass Beach gets its name, obviously, from all this glass that is scattered throughout the beach. However, all this pretty glass you see comes from a darker time in the history of Fort Bragg. A time when they used to just dump the garbage all along the northern part of the town, right on the coastline. And over the years, with the waves just smashing into the rocks, destroying the glass, rounded the edges and turned it into what you see today, which makes up Glass Beach. As with most coastal towns here in Northern California, Glass Beach has a very rich artistic culture. And these whales here that you see, they're just a sampling of some of the art you'll find here in this town. As you drive along this iconic highway, you'll see that there's so many places just to pull over and check out all the beaches. Just the sights are just like nowhere else you'll find anywhere else on earth. So beautiful here. Always find it funny finding these little sea lions hanging out on these buoys. Are they just relaxing, or are they trying to hide from something more sinister in the water? This little semi cave used to be a blowhole, and over the years, the waves kind of collapsed it, and now it's just a big hole in the ground. So this right here, this is Noyo Harbor. It's the only deep sea harbor between San Francisco and Eureka.